When we designed Business by Design, most important for us was to develop a product that people like to work with. Our goal was to make using the business software as easy as working just with the web. And our key design principles were easy to use, easy to learn, and easy to adapt.
That is the core idea of Business by Design, that you really supply a full suite with all the capabilities you normally have in several components and pieces in large enterprises, but package this up very nicely with one user experience, with one navigation paradigm, with one configuration, made available on demand with a very clear business model and pricing model around.
Especially in the mid-market, people play different roles, have different responsibilities, and wear different hats. And it's very important to have a system that the user can easily work with, and consistency in using the system is very important. And therefore, we applied a pattern-based design approach for the complete solution. For example, if you search for a business object, like an invoice or a sales order, then it works in the same way in every area that you're working with. If you learn it once, you can apply it and do it in every other task. We invested a lot also in this emotional aspect. If somebody works with the system, from a colors, from an interaction, from a behavior point of view, people feel comfortable and like to work with it. And therefore, we found the combination between what is required to do a task and also make it attractive and easy to use and fun to use for the end user.
There is a new idea of what software, modern software should do, how smart it is, what the user experience is, and you have to deal with that. It needs to support you while you're on the road, so from any place, with any device as well, at any time.
Together with the customer, you can, just using the iPad, start creating the order online, and people in the back office immediately get that information. Social networks like Facebook or LinkedIn also change the way how people start interacting and exchanging information and collaborating. And we continue working, extending our collaboration features in Business by Design to follow this trend also with future releases.
There will be individualization as well. And this individualization is, in a sense, apps you can download from an SAP App Store, but that has to follow then the same paradigm. You go there, you browse, you click, you download, and 2 hours later it's in your system. It's maybe not 2 minutes like on your smartphone in your pocket, but when you can do that in 2 hours in a hosted large business suite, that's world record.
The effort that we invested in researching how people work, involving customers and users into the development process, really paid off by having happy customers and users. And they use SAP Business by Design.